Welcome back to another episode of Foolies Fridays with your boy ATGA Money, Nemo, Neems, Traumatic Nick Fury, Nemzi, all kinds of names and variations of it. So my message today is simple, it's from the heart, and always you're rocking with the CEO of Foolies Limited Clothing, and I'm just here to help you unlock those dreams and goals that you have in your heart. So the message is simple, and it's really along the lines of, if you're looking for a sign, ladies and gentlemen, this is the sign. Every week you're looking for a sign, and you're waiting for someone to say, God, please, if it's supposed to be, this is it. It's been it for the last 3 years of me doing Foolies Fridays, but maybe today you'll actually listen. So to everybody with a goal and a dream, I just need you to stop being so flimsy about it. So what do I mean? It means when you hear no, the first thing you do is start crying and start bawling. Oh my gosh, they told me no and I can't do it. And look, if you're a big girl and you get told you can't create a dance class or studio or a whole school for plus size women, laugh in their face, and then you put on your leotards and you dance harder than you've ever danced before. You hit every twist and move and pirouette and whatever other dance phrases they have, and you make sure that when you start your school that you are the best, better than anything that they've ever seen before, and they have to now respect your gangster. When are we gonna get to the point, instead of crying because we heard no, that you say, you know what? You told me I can't make a living off of photography. I'm gonna make a living off of photography anyways. And what are you gonna do? You're gonna have to respect my gangster, because I'm about to go so hard on this photography game. I'm gonna know every aperture, every ISO, every color correction, every Lightroom tool, every Photoshop ability. I'm gonna learn it all, because you know why? They told me no. And these no's need to start motivating you. How many people have been told no, and yet you decided that because they said you would never make it in this town as a journalist, you stopped writing. You're in IT, you're a cashier, you're doing all this other stuff that you're not supposed to be doing, and there's nothing wrong with those positions by any means, but you know that's not where you're supposed to be. You know you need to be writing and finishing off that book, but somebody said that book will never get published. So you know what you do? You publish the book yourself. You start moving that book in every city, every state, every triangle of the block that you're on, and you say, never again will I hear those words, because I'm going to have you respect my gangster. And I'm gonna move books, and I'm gonna be on the New York Times bestseller and the Amazon bestseller list, and I'm gonna clean house. Stop letting people tell you no and get away with it. You should be upset when somebody says no to you. You should start burning from the pit of your soul and laugh, ha 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 ha, and then say, look, you just sit back, because I'm about to rock the world. I'm about to rock the universe. Watch me work. And I'll be ready to hire. I will be ready in open arms to hire you when this gets to where it needs to be. Because you are the bigger person. You ain't gonna knock nobody else's dreams. You're gonna get to yours. You're gonna focus. You're gonna find every resource, every tool. You're gonna call and reach out to everyone that you can. Think about the next 5 to 10 people that you'd want to have mentor you to grow whatever it is that you're trying to do, whether it's a doctor, lawyer, scientist, music, entrepreneurship, whatever that is, and make it your best duty to have all 5 or 10 of them to become your mentor at some point in your journey. Or if you want to really level up, get to the point where you're mentoring them. Set the goals to be a lot bigger than wherever they are now, because you're so flimsy and so weak-minded, and you've let all these people tell you no, and you believed it. I'm sorry. You believed someone else's truth for you. Someone else's truth for you, you now digested and swallowed, and you let that sit in your bones. I'm sorry. It's time to cut all of the weight of negativity that has been placed on you, homie, and get to it. Forget all these plan B's, C's, and D's. Forget the backups. Work full time. Work on your dream after work. Wake up early. Stay up a little later. Start asking questions on your downtime at work. What are you doing with those precious seconds? Are you gossiping with the coworkers, or are you making moves? Stop letting those deter you. Act like you want to do this. Act like you want to be the next best actor. Jordan Peele just said it. He didn't Get Out immediately because he felt that it wasn't good enough. I'm letting you know right now, whatever it is, it's good enough. And it'll be revised. And it'll be a 1.0 and a 2.0 and a 7.0 and everything else that goes after it. Please act like you got this. And stop letting these no's make you get in your feelings and start whining and complaining and life isn't fair. Be the best. Like no one ever was. Not even gonna get into the rest of the song. So, I left y'all with a message. In the comments section, if this helped you, just say thank you and get to work. I don't care what you got to say. I don't want to hear your comments and what books. No, I don't care. Say thank you and go to work. Freaking take a picture of you working on the grind or your book that you're about to publish or whatever it is and throw that in the comment section. Hashtag I'm going to work. And hashtag respect my gangster. That's what needs to happen going forward. So, it ain't about me. It's about God. Hope this message hit somebody. I'm out.